hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in.
Something bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby, come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed in the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me?
Yeah, I'm tired and I'm done, but tired, bruh. I got done around like 3:30-ish. Tired does not even describe how I feel right now. And I had work tonight. I had to call out. I'm so sorry. Like, I really was gonna hold it down. I thought I was gonna get home by like 3 o'clock, take me a little 2.5 hour nap before work, but I am not about to put nobody's life in my hands for me to mess up at work. So therefore, I did the most responsible thing and called out. I'm pretty sure, like, you can see how tired I look, barely keeping my eyes open. And then Atlanta freaking traffic ain't nothing new. But yeah, I will show you guys the finished product when I am actually more alive and awake. But this is my current state right now.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Punch you like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you leave me in the past tense. I ain't no drill, I was that.
Oh, it's the oh my God, I don't think I can sit on couch for 1 hour. I'm exhausted.
I know. What are your off days?
Sister's Day.
Okay.
And he was there for holiday and they came.
So he got stuck in France. For how long? Jesus. Was he in school? Was he young?
Something where you don't know. I like bad bitch, I like go-go. She like top pill, she like sono. Like it that, so ain't clap it fast. I need to take a look up. Them boy, then they ready, them a sweet it.
to be about a 30-minute wait, so I'm literally gonna go eat and then come back. Let's see.
Put 9 gal in a Sprinter. 100.
Love I see living inside of me. I can't see I'm done, shit, be words, never say that. I don't want back down, rather get paid back. Mama told me you never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nothing wrong, every day pop out the tone. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. I know when you hide, you tell me I'm wrong. This my past can't escape me, my pussy precedes me. Find my all the time change, you still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it, it's so embarrassing, all of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it, I'm blind.
I'll go first. Mind you, I already went shopping. My camera. Hey y'all, so I just got back home from getting my wax and running a couple more errands because there's always errands to run. And I got my wax, y'all. She hooked me up, waxed me up real good. So now I'm just gonna film some couple videos and then finish packing. Literally waiting to film before I can pack. Y'all, let me, hold on. Water trying to take me out. Anyway, you guys, it's currently 8:40. It's currently 8:40. My God, excuse me. I've been up since I think like 3 o'clock. This is not actually funny. Anyway, so I'm about to make some coffee so I can, as soon as I said that, I got sleepy. Anyway, I'm about to make some coffee, continue this packing. I literally filmed all day and I'm gonna try to get as much as I can packed tonight before tomorrow, because tomorrow is my last day before I travel on Wednesday morning. So and I got more Amazon, so maybe we can do some Amazon unpacking. I don't even want to talk about how much money I've spent before going on this damn trip. But God is good. God is so great because we are in a position where we can afford the things that we want in this life. So far. So far. So far. Anyway, let's make this coffee.
On my hair stuff.
I call back down. I'm like, okay, so are you guys like calling anyone? Like, it is chaos, literally. As yeah, so we came out. I just tried to say, mind you,
Foreigner, 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 foreigner. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull her drop top with an eater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with an eater. Two-seater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. Money way. Diamonds. Flex it. I woke Jumping like 2-3. She a foreign little freak.
It is currently 2 o'clock. I've officially been up for 24 hours, sick to my stomach, literally. But we have made progress. I said I wanted to get 90% of my stuff packed, and we almost there. I can't believe I'm taking all this for 3 weeks. Yikes. Anyway, I gotta go wash this makeup off. I look crazy, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, good morning, you guys. Today is the last day before I leave for my trip tomorrow. I do have some more errands to run, unfortunately. I'm so glad I low-key called out of work, but allegedly. I'm going to just run a few errands. My bags are still here from last night. I'm so glad I did that. I just have to like assemble some stuff, and I think I'm gonna pay $100 just for one of the way back, because like, how can one person own this amount of stuff just for a trip for 3 weeks? Anyway, let me just go run my few errands, come back, and then finish packing. Okay.
Okay, y'all, it's gonna turn out so like cute.
Because I'm not playing around with my stuff anymore, okay? So for sure, Amazon, link below. Get you some. Where you say it? When the whole family.
This is good. I will say this.